We've had heavy rains here in Arkansas for the last 2 days, and this creek's usually dry, and it only runs when we have heavy rains or heavy snowstorms that are melting. But as you can see, there's plenty of water in it right now. Kind of getting the spring rains a little early this year. And Mason and Mama are throwing rocks in the creek. I imagine you can hear this creek running. This is a wooded area behind our house. And we've got about 5 or 6 acres of woods. And we're on top of a mountain. We're 1,535 feet high. Actually, that would be up on the top of that mountain. But we're a little lower here. And like I said, this creek doesn't hardly ever run. It's usually dry, but when we get a lot of rain, it's draining all the fields up above there. There's a bunch of cattle fields about a quarter mile from here, and all that water builds up in them and it comes right down through our property. I've always wanted to build a little pond down here, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. We're just out driving around checking things out after all the rain. We're still supposed to get more today, and I think it's going to clear up tomorrow, but we'll probably get even more flooding. Arkansas is really getting a deluge. How do you say that? Anyway, a lot of rain, and a lot of folks are getting flooded out, especially down south. So we're just out and about messing around. I thought you might want to watch. Starting to hear thunder. There's a storm coming in. We're heading on back to the house. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. God bless.